Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an edit step by step. Start by organizing your clips and labeling takes, then create a rough timeline to map story beats and pacing. Use short, meaningful names and group similar shots together so you can find them instantly. Don't worry about perfection now. Focus on assembling a clear rough cut that highlights the best moments to refine later. Now assemble your rough cut by placing selected shots in story order, aiming for clear narrative flow and consistent pacing. Trim dead space and tighten pauses so the video keeps momentum without feeling rushed. Use basic transitions for clarity, not decoration, and mark spots where music or graphics will enhance the story. Review the rough cut for coherence before moving on to sound design and color adjustments. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during long edits and tight deadlines. I find sipping water keeps focus sharp and decisions clearer during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like what you see. Now let's get back to the video. Next, focus on audio and color to polish your edit. Clean up noise, balance dialogue, and set consistent levels across clips. Correct exposure and white balance, then add a gentle grade that suits your story's mood. Layer music and effects at natural beats to enhance emotion, but keep them from overpowering speech. Make small adjustments, preview with fresh ears, and tweak until the visuals and sound feel cohesive and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.